Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, please subscribe the channel. So in today's video I will discuss introduction of Python. So let's start the video. What is Python? Python is an high level interpreted object oriented and general purpose programming language created by Guido von Rossum, released in 1991. It emphasizes code readability and simplicity. Why is Python popular? Easy to learn and understand, large standard library, cross platform compatibility, open source and free, supports OOPS and functional programming, used in web development and data science, AI, machine learning, automation and cyber security. Features of Python: simple and readable. Python syntax is easy to understand. In interpreted language, Python code is executed line by line without compilation. Dynamically typed, no need to declare variable types. Example, x is equal to 10, x is equal to hello. There are no define the data types of the variable, so that's why it is called a dynamically typed object oriented language. Supports classes, objects, inheritance, polymorphism, etc. Portable, runs on Windows, Linux and Mac. Extensive libraries: pandas, numpy, seaborn, matplotlib. There are multiple libraries in Python. So advantages of Python and disadvantages of Python. Advantages of Python: simple and easy to learn, slower execution speed, high level language, high memory consumption, interpreted language, runtime error due to dynamic typing, platform independent, not suitable for mobile development. Object oriented programming support, global interpreter lock limits multi-threading, free and open source, less efficient for memory tasks, extensive standard library, weaker database access layer, supports multiple programming paradigms, requires more memory and processing power. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please like the button and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.